In Bosnia and Herzegovina, independent living is still not available for many persons with disabilities.
Mogu da kažem da se sad dosta osjećam sigurnije, bogatije. Personalna asistencija za jednu osobu sa težim oblikom invaliditeta je život, to mogu da kažem, baš život. Znači, sad mogu da odem bilo gdje hoću, da radim šta hoću, da odlučujem sam o sebi, jednostavno da živim.
Udruženje Bosanski doktori za osobe sa invaliditetom upozorilo je nadležne i javnost na probleme s kojima se suočavaju invalidne osobe u Bosni i Hercegovini. Ukazali su i na potrebu servisa personalne asistencije koji pruža podršku osobama s teškim invaliditetom, te da je trenutno putem ovog servisa podržana 21 osoba.
Support for independent living is trapped in a complex system of state, entity, cantonal, and municipal responsibilities. When no level takes clear responsibility, persons with disabilities are often left to depend on family, charity, or chance. Bosnian Doctors for Disabled created a practical model that combines personal assistance, assistive technology, education, peer support, and advocacy. The goal is not temporary help. The goal is choice, participation, and independent living. Personal assistance is not a new idea. In many parts of the world, it is already recognized as an essential support for independent living. But in Bosnia and Herzegovina, it is still available only to a small number of people. For many persons with severe disabilities, access to personal assistance depends on luck, family resources, donor support, or whether a civil society organization can step in. This is why personal assistance is not charity. It is a condition for independent living. It connects people to education, work, relationships, advocacy, and community. It turns support into freedom of choice. The impact becomes visible when people use their skills in real life, working at a computer, creating with a CNC machine, teaching others, joining meetings, and contributing to their communities. With the right support, people with disabilities are not passive beneficiaries. They are workers, creators, trainers, freelancers, and decision makers. Certificates show one step in the process. The real goal is what comes after: confidence, practical skills, work, participation, and greater independence. Assistive technology is not just equipment. A wheelchair, a ramp, or the right device can decide whether someone stays inside or studies, works, travels, and takes part in public life. Bosnian Doctors for Disabled uses these real examples to advocate for personal assistance and independent living to become recognized, organized, and sustainable. The model is practical because it starts with people's real lives and shows what support can change. This is not only a project. It is a practical path toward independent living for persons with disabilities in Bosnia and Herzegovina.